So like I said, I did 2 coats, got a little overspray and it ran a little bit, but who cares? It's a dirt bike. And that's it. You already know what time it is. We're back at it with the Heybike. We got some accessories for it. Come look at this. A couple of quick things. I'll go through the quick stuff first before I get to the more time-consuming stuff. $6 mirror off of Walmart. Thing is cool. Now you can see behind you. I like to have that bottom view just so I can look under my arm, see what's behind me, just so I don't have to keep turning around. And you already know we had to put a horn on it because there's nothing on this bike. She looking good. Then we have the normal dash. And look at this thing. I like this phone holder a lot. It's got a lock in the back. Flick the lock. Push that out, now it's ready for the phone. And my phone basically fits just in about there, so it looks like it is a whole dash for it. So as soon as you go to put your phone in there, it hits that button and it locks it in. And look at that. That's a nice. If you got to use your GPS, you got the whole screen there. It looks great. You got your regular dash here. I have the idea of wanting to change the color of this thing, and I want to go all black. And I got this seat off of Amazon. It was like 25, 28 bucks. There's different colors. These panels, they come right off. I'm just gonna end up spray painting them. I bought this spray paint off of Amazon. It's a 2 times coverage paint and primer, so I'm probably gonna do like 2 or 3 coats of that. I should do like a clear coat on top of it, but I really don't care too much. 2 coats of this should be good enough. Oh, that's one. This on the bottom and even on the other side, they're just decals, they're stickers. We've already taken off the other decal on the other side. Hopefully I can get this in one pull. It has been sitting outside a little bit, so hopefully it's all right if there's a little bit of glue residue. I just want to be able to get this in one nice pull. Oh, we went too quick. We went too quick.
How are you coming fast? Why are you coming fast?
Go back, go back. We gotta try from this side now. I'm not going to bore you with waiting, so I'll come back when we are installing that. I'm not even going to show you guys the second coat. I'm going to put a second coat on, let that dry, and then come back and this will be all done. And that's it. She's completely different. So like I said, I did 2 coats. Got a little overspray and it ran a little bit, but who cares? It's a dirt bike. Got rid of all that extra yellow. Still on the fence about the swing arm. If I do that, I'll make a video later. This is great. This is how I'm wanting it right now. I can put my phone up here. Got something to make noise. Got a little mirror. And the seat. The seat I'm really happy about. This is the first time I've done the seat cover, but it came out pretty nice for my first time. I appreciate y'all watching. If y'all watched the whole video, definitely let me know. I'm going to keep making videos on this. I'm about to make my 100-mile review video, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to be giving all the pros and cons about this bike, giving my honest review. Y'all should definitely go check out my socials. I upload shorts every day on YouTube. I upload on Instagram and TikTok daily, so definitely check that out. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace out.